Here's how to stop sharing live location on WhatsApp iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can stop sharing your live location on your WhatsApp on your iPhone device. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. So I'm gonna show you all the methods that you can stop sharing your location. So the first method is very easy and simple. What you can do is just basically go to your WhatsApp, and by just simply tapping on WhatsApp and just going to your contact. So I'm just going to use my account as an example just for contact. So if I press on my example right over here, what you basically need to do is just basically press on the plus icon on the corner of the screen. Once you do this, it will show you some options just like photos, camera, and location, and many other, but you basically need to press on location. Once you do this, it will show you your location and everything. But let's say you're sharing your location, so instead of share live location, it will say stop live location and something like that. So you basically need to press on the option of stop live location instead of share. It's showing share for me because I haven't shared my location with this particular contact. So if you want to just go ahead and stop the live location, you can just basically press on end the, or I don't know, it will say end option. It will just say something to end it. Yeah, you just basically need to press on tap on that, and it will just basically finish the live location. So the other setting is the same. You basically need to go to WhatsApp again. So yeah, once you're inside WhatsApp, you basically have to go to settings this time, alright? Just press on the settings option, and right over here you basically need to go ahead and press on privacy. Right on the option of privacy, you'll see some options right over here, but you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of live location. Once you press on it, it will just show you all the contacts that you're sharing your locations with. So if you're unaware of who you were sharing your live location with, you can just go ahead and press on this, and you'll see all the contacts that you're sharing, and you can just simply cancel all the live locations and just stop who you don't want to share your location with. So yeah, this is pretty much simple. And the last method is the very technical way on how you can stop your live location. It'll just like, you know, like if you're like very conscious about your live location and your privacy, and you really don't want anyone else to know your location, so it's actually very simple. You basically need to go to your iPhone settings, not any other WhatsApp. You basically need to go to iPhone settings. So once you're right over here, so if you're below iOS 18, you can just go ahead and go to the bottom, and you'll see an option of privacy and security right over here. I can see the option, but like it will be somewhere right next to wallet if you're below iOS 18. If you're on iOS 18, you'll see this option in the Face ID or passcode. But if you can't find this setting, you can just go ahead and type in privacy, and just like that. And here, as you can see, it says privacy and security. You just got to go ahead and press on this option simply. Once you go ahead and press on this, you'll see some options, but you just got to go ahead and press on location services. Once you press on it here, as you can see, it will show me all the apps that are using my live locations, but I'll just swipe down till the bottom until we eventually find WhatsApp. So here, as you can see, we just got to go ahead and press on WhatsApp right over here, and it will just give you some options. It's like never, ask, anytime, or when I share, while using WhatsApp, or always. So you just gotta go ahead and press on never. What this will do, it will basically end your live location setting, and you won't be able to share your live location or anything, and no one will be able to find your live location. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can stop sharing live location on WhatsApp on your iPhone device. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.